Take your Sunshield out of the package. You will notice your Sunshield tries to go back into the folding position. To help install your Sunshield, fold the Sunshield in the opposite direction of the creases. Another option is to place your Sunshield flat and put any type of weight on top to help the material come flat and better fitting when installing. Your Sunshield will be easier to install and stay in place when following these helpful steps.